welcome to my channel. I'm Rebecca Kickass Pay. Obviously, that's not my real middle name. I'm not going to tell you my real middle name because I don't really like it. Anyway, this is the channel all about Kickass CVs, and the idea is that I give you loads of information for free so you can sort out your own CV and get things on track and hopefully get the job of your dreams. So I'll be showing lots of information about how to choose the right job, how to get past ATS, applicant tracking software, how to set up your account on LinkedIn. So I do loads on LinkedIn myself, so I know lots about how to use it, and just generally about how to boost your confidence and cope with interviews and write cover letters. There's loads of information. I've worked with hundreds of clients now. I've been doing this for quite a few years. I call myself the Kickass CV writer because I'm all about Kickass CVs that actually make a difference and get you interviews. At the end of the day, the CV isn't what gets you the job. You get the job. You have to do that in the interview. But if you've got the wrong kind of CV or it's not effective enough, then you're not even going to be getting the interviews and the opportunities in the first place. So you have to combine all those skills together. And there's a lot of crap out there on the internet about CVs. I'm kind of here to debunk a lot of the myths, give you common sense advice, and keep it pretty simple because you don't need to overcomplicate this system. It really isn't that difficult in many ways to get an effective CV out there. Obviously, I work for clients and write CVs for them, so I'm not saying it's completely simple, but I work with quite high level clients, senior leaders generally speaking, and directors who perhaps don't have the time to sort out their own CV, but also building their confidence as I go through the process. At the end of the day, it's a lot more than just writing someone's CV. There's a lot of coaching involved and sorting out your mindset and bringing back your confidence and also reminding you what your achievements and stuff are. Plus, people just don't have the time to do it themselves, which is fair enough. But this channel's here to give you lots of information for free, not to come and grab all your money. I do have a CV course which is available, which is £49 at the moment. So if you are interested in doing it yourself and having me talk you through it on the course, it's video and audio led, and there's loads of practical stuff to actually do and walk you through doing it, so that's quite helpful. And my book is also on Amazon, How to Get the Kickass Creator, which combines all my amazing advice in one place, in a really kind of easy to read, fun to read book. Really, it's quite comes across like me, like I'm talking now, quite easygoing, not all serious and formal. I make the whole CV writing process quite fun, to be honest. So if you're looking for someone super formal, then I'm not the person for you. I have a lot of content on LinkedIn if you ever want to find me on there. Rebecca Pay on there, obviously. I do pole fitness in my sort of free time when I'm not looking after my two kids who are both autistic. I'm also autistic too, and I have ADHD, which is probably why I talk far too quickly. My autism and ADHD make me amazing at what I do, to be honest, and it means I come up with loads of creative ideas, and it also means I'm super quick at doing stuff, but I spend a lot of time procrastinating as well, which I'm sure if you've got ADHD you can relate to massively. So if you ever want to ask any questions about it, go ahead. I also love spending time with my kids, obviously, and eating ice cream. Ice cream is pretty good. Who doesn't like ice cream? I mean, check out my light behind the lit up ice cream there. That's so cool. My brother sent me that. Anyway, I realise I'm waffling, which I'm very prone to do. It's another ADHD trait, isn't it? If you want a free CV starter pack, go onto my website, payforprecision.com, and please subscribe to this channel because there's going to be loads and loads of new content coming soon. Recording it all really soon. I'm really excited. There's going to be some Q&As coming up and loads of stuff like that. So it's going to be a channel for you. So if you've got any questions or things you want me to answer, then please feel free to comment or message me, and I will get back to you and create some videos for the stuff that you need. So I hope that's explained to you exactly who I am and what I do, and thanks very much if you've watched this.